So because I decided this is what Joe wants to do, my first bit of work that I have to do, my first mini project is going to be removing these tiles. It's do or die time. And I've got to do this kind of strategically. I know it's caved in right there underneath the floor. We've got a 2x6 right here that's a double one that's fallen down. There's also another one right here that's lowered down. So I got to be really super careful right there. And I think I'm going to pull this tile up first so that then I can just start from that side and see how this is going to work out. Just want to worry about getting that one tile up, I guess. Maybe this one. Oh, there. Wow, that's heavy. Jeez. Jeez Louise. That is one heavy. Oh. Wow, that's heavy. Guess I better set this over here. For now. Oh. Jeez. Christmas. Whew. Guess I'm just gonna carry it down the stairs for now. Jeez. Oh no, I can slide it. I can slide it through. Right over here. Good grief. It's like they built up something with sand on top of this. Water caved in. Mercy. Mercy me. Boy. That's different. It's got... Well, no sense showing it to you yet until I pull this up. I'm surprised it didn't cave down. Cave in all the way already. This is the one I'm kind of concerned about. I don't really want to pry on it too much, do I? I can use this and pull it up. Wow, those things are heavy. Okay, how else can I do it? See, there's sand. They've got sand here, and then they've got a little pad underneath that, and then they put sand in there. Well, I might end up having to put sand underneath this, who knows? And I don't think I can reach over there and get this one and lift it up high enough. Maybe I can get it up high enough to put a 2x4 underneath it. Like right in there somewhere. Let's see. Let's see if I can lift that. Boy. No, I don't think I can. I just don't think I can from here. Nope. Nope. I gotta get that one out before it caves in. Boy. Can you imagine if somebody fell through that? Wow. Okay. Thank Lammy. Thank Joe. Thank. How else can I do this? So once I get these couple out, then these other ones back this way will be easier to pull down, you know? Because those 2x6s underneath have not failed. Last thing I want is for this to cave in on me, right? There he has it. If it hasn't caved in yet, maybe it won't cave in with me messing around with it. Jeez Louise. Good grief. Are you ever gonna get involved with something like this? I don't know. Probably not. Now maybe I can swivel this up. Whew. Whew. Mercy me. Suckers are heavy. I'm all out of breath. Take this and fold it over. Come on, baby. Yes, indeed. Good grief. How hard is it going to be to put these back? I wonder. Holy cow. Okay, I gotta take it over that way. We're just gonna walk it. See, they got plywood underneath that. Look how far that has sagged down in there. Boy, I'm gonna have to clean all this sand out of here. Some buckets. Good Lord. Hey, one step at a time, right? Here's that little piece that was broken off. The other piece. Now that's gonna go right in there. Whew. Whew, I'm all out of breath. I think before I go any further, see all that sand down there? I need to get the sand off of that plywood down there that's bowed down. At least that'll take a little bit of weight off of this area, right? See all this? There's a black foam pad there, it looks like, and then there's some other little perforated things underneath that. Sand's heavy too, believe it or not. Fill that bucket up or else I won't be able to carry it, will I? Oh. Look at all that sand. Keep cleaning up this area, and then I'm gonna have to make a pile downstairs. And lucky for me, I don't necessarily have a big piece of plastic I can put this down on, but I have some cardboard. And I think I'll set it on some cardboard downstairs. Whew. You know, there's a plastic type matting underneath this, and that might have prevented everything from caving in. That's what I'm thinking. Wow. That probably took off, oh, I don't know, 60 pounds? Just right in there, that sand. Okay, so I'm gonna go dump that bucket. I've got a place around the corner of the house. It's on top of some cardboard. Looks like it might even rain outside. I heard some thunder a little earlier, and it's well before winter, but I've got to get this done. Can you imagine if this got all wet? And I think it's designed to weep through there, but on the plywood itself, the OSB plywood underneath that never got treated with a water membrane or anything like that. So what happened was, see, these are just laying there, set right on top of the sand, and the water goes right through it, right down through the cracks onto the sand bed, and then everything's sloped out this way. Okay, and everything over here There's no water damage underneath the floor. You saw that from before. If you've watched my previous videos, if you haven't, go back to the first part and see how I got to this point. Okay, so I'm going to dump this bucket, and then I can tackle that next tile. Still going to have to be careful, but I've got a little more confidence in swiveling that up there and then straddling it and kind of bouncing it across over to this. That's my plan anyways.